Hi, my name is Courtney on behalf of ExpertVillage, and in this clip we're going to be making a flag using tissue paper. You're going to want to start with a piece of poster board and you're going to cut it down to the size that you want your flag to be. So this can be as big or as small as you want. Although the bigger you make this, the longer it's going to take you to complete. I'm going to make our state flag, which is the Texas flag. And so I'm just going to draw the outline onto my poster board. Okay. Now once I've done that, I'm going to take my three colors of tissue paper, and I'm going to cut them into squares. They don't have to be the exact same size. So I'm going to take and fold this. Once I've done that, you take a square, and you can start anywhere on the flag that you want. And you're going to take one of the square pieces of tissue paper, and I recommend using a pen, just because if you end up using a pencil, and it will usually, the glue we're going to be using will end up ruining your eraser. So I recommend a pen. But you take the square, and you put the pen down in the middle, and you wrap the tissue paper up and around the pen, giving you a flat surface at the bottom, and the tissue paper up on the edge. You then put down some glue and you press the paper down, and then you just lift the pen up. And we're going to do that over and over again till we fill up our whole area. And you'll want to kind of put them close together so that you can't see the poster board in between the pieces. You're going to do that until you fill up all the areas. And then if you've got some pieces that hang further off the ends than the others, you can always take your scissors and kind of trim it up and give it a nice clean edge. Then, so that we can hang our flag, we're going to take a white pipe cleaner and we're going to glue it onto the back. And now we have our flag hanger.